Hey guys, it's Charles. Hope you're doing fantastic. So I definitely told you guys that I would be making more videos for you guys. And you know, I just wanted to share something. Something came along and something happened. Not to me, but actually to a friend of mine. And it just got me really thinking. So I texted a friend maybe about 2 weeks ago. And I texted him, no response, and I had no idea what was going on. And this is a new friend of mine. And I get a text back yesterday because I texted him again just to hit him up to tell him about an opportunity that I thought would be perfect for him, and didn't get a response. But I get a text back yesterday and I find out through this text message, I'm not gonna say who, that it was the person's fiance saying that this person had passed away. And I was just in awe and in shock. This person was the same age as me, we're in the same field, and I just was so sad. You know, I found out that he had this something going on with swelling in the brain, and like he bled to death, and just horrific, you know. But it was a great reminder to me that life is short and it's so important for us to do what we love, to not be distracted by all this outside noise, regardless of what your friends and your peers are doing. I think it's so easy for us to just get caught up sometimes and compare ourselves if we're not at our ideal, whether it's weight loss or if it's in our careers, that we forget to listen to the beat of our own drum. You know, I think the hardest thing to do is when everyone else is doing a certain thing, to not follow along because that's what the norm is or that's the status quo, but to actually listen to ourselves. And you know, I used to make so many videos where I'm just talking to you guys and just sharing authentically, and I think I kind of stopped because at one point I was just like, why am I sharing? But I realized, you know, if this video can touch one person and inspire one person, then I've done my job. So I hope this inspires you to just realize how short life is, and that you should go after the things you want to do, and treasure the people who are around you at all times. Say that you love them, and that you cherish them, and spend quality time. It's so important. We get caught up in all these things, and it's like, are we working for money, or is money like taking over our lives? You know, I understand there are definitely necessities and things like that, but I think genuine relationships, groundedness, and spending time in nature and remembering what is truly important is really something that I've been pondering as I'm writing, and I've been doing all these creative things, just thinking like, you know, instead of doing things for money, why can't I just do it because I want to do it, because I want to experience that, or because I want to create community. I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about that? Do you believe in afterlife? Do you believe in all that? But honestly, I just feel like I have a new angel by me at all times, and it's made me realize how short life is, and that I need to be doing the things that I love, which is helping others, and to share myself more with other people, doing live events and connecting with people. So that was just some food for thought. If you guys enjoyed this video, love this casual video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what you think about afterlife, and what you think about life in general. And do you think life is short? Have you lost someone that is near and dear to your heart? It's just, yeah, it's such a weird thing because we never really experience death until we actually go through it. So you can think and, like, you know, project these things that you think will happen, but we will never know. But I think that's why it's so important to live life presently. Hope this brought you guys so much joy. It's super cash. I am gonna keep going and meditating and bring you guys as much value as possible. Cheers, guys. Bye.